What is this action called? Watering the plants. What is this action called? Pouring coffee. What is this action called? Packing a bag. What is this action called? Riding a bike. How is the weather? It is raining. How is the weather? It is snowing. How is the weather? It is thundering. How is the weather? It is sunny. How is the weather? It is windy. How is the weather? It is cloudy. How is the weather? Share your answer in the comment. What is this action called? Printing a document. What is this action called? Toasting the bread. What is this action called? Withdrawing money. What is this action called? Paying by card. What is this called? Hammer. What is this called? Saw. What is this called? Screwdriver. What is this called? Rolling pin. What is this called? Strainer. What is this called? Ice cube tray. What is this action called? Laughing. What is this action called? Playing games. What is this action called? Fishing. What is this action called? Feeding animal. What is this action called? Share your answer in the comments. What is this called? Blending. What is this called? Cracking. What is this called? Grating. What is this called? Whisking. What is this called? Stirring. What is this called? Share your answer in the comment. What is this called? Coughing. What is this called? Sneezing. What is this called? Throwing. What is this called? Tasting. What is this called? Share your answer in the comment. What is this called? Dish rack. What is this called? Kettle. What is this called? Oven. What is this called? Cutting board. What is this called? Peeler. What is this called? Share your answer in the comment. What is this called? Wipes. What is this called? Undies. What is this called? Mittens. What is this called? Mittens. What is this called? Pacifiers. What is this called? Share your answer in the comment. What is this called? Bookshelf. What is this called? Curtains. What is this called? Sink. What is this called? Vacuum. What is this called? Broom. What is this called? Mop. What is this called? Share your answer in the comment. What is this action called? Chopping. What is this action called? Peeling. What is this action called? Melting. What is this action called? Tightening. What is this action called? Kneading. What is this action called? Grilling. What is this action called? Seasoning. What is this action called? Measuring. What is this action called? Flipping. What is this action called? Mashing. What is this action called? Folding. What is this action called? Wiping. What is this action called? Scrubbing. What is this action called? Mopping. What is this action called? Washing hands. What is this action called? Ironing. What is this action called? Painting. What is this action called? Typing. What is this action called? Sewing. What is this action called? Share your answer in the comments. What is this action called? Taking notes. What is this action called? Drawing. What is this action called? Counting money. What is this action called? Clapping. What is this action called? Share your answer in the comments. What is this called? Earplugs. What is this called? Flashlight. What is this called? Wallet. What is this called? Sewing kit. What is this called? Portable fan. What is this called? Share your answer in the comments. What is this called? Cotton pads. What is this called? Slippers. What is this called? Hair ties. What is this called? Measuring cup. What is this called? Can opener. What is this action called? Highlighting. What is this action called? Raising a hand. What is this action called? Erasing. What is this action called? Sharpening a pencil. What is this action called? Sticking. What is this action called? Spreading the butter. What is this action called? Driving. What is this action called? Boiling the eggs. What is this action called? Slicing the bread. What is this action called? Melting the butter. What is this called? Ladder. What is this called? Power drill. What is this called? Safety vest. What is this called? Measuring tape. What is this called? First aid kit.